Hello, welcome back to ItsFixable. I'm Scott, the Fix-It guy, and I've got a really interesting project I'm going to be diving into over the next week or so. This is an antique high chest of drawers. It could be as old as 200 years, having been made maybe around 1800. Its antique value has been completely compromised because previous owners have not cared for it properly. The original finish, which would have been a very dark lacquer, much like the darkest tones in here, would have hidden all of this wood grain. The top has been sanded. The new finish is some modern material, polyurethane or something. The side panels are split on it. Someone used wood glue to try to repair that. The drawers are damaged and improper repairs were done. This looks like Gorilla Glue on here, trying to hold things together. Runners were worn out and replaced and just driven in with box nails. You know, the thing is just in bad shape, and unfortunately, you know, its antique value has been destroyed. So what I'm going to do is take this and turn it into a bathroom vanity. To accomplish that, I'm going to fit this with a marble countertop, which I have over there. I need to cut out the top so there's room for an undermount sink. We're going to ditch the legs and get rid of the bottom drawer and cut a toe kick into this and bring it down to appropriate height. Then finally, I'll have to modify these drawers and cut an access in through the back to allow room for the plumbing to come in. This thing just sits on these legs. It's not actually attached. So that's easy to get rid of. The first thing I want to do is cut out this top for the sink, because if that doesn't work, then all the rest of this work is for naught. The build of this cabinet is really interesting. It seems to be built like a box. And this isn't the top of the box. This is a rail, just like these. The box goes up beyond it, but it doesn't go all the way to here. So there's a top of the box in here, and then this plank is on top, and this appears to be a dead space in between. To find out what's in here, before I do my saw cut, I am going to actually just core a hole in it. There we go. I took a core out. And sure enough, there is more wood right here. Okay, so it looks like I can cut that with a saw, with a skill saw and some other tools easily without worrying about anything. The old square nail there. Yeah, somebody's put some modern finish nails in the back of that. That should be enough space for that sink. I'm going to go ahead and set my sink and let this set up overnight. before I do any more work on the interior, I'm going to cut the bottom off of this to bring it to its finished height. So I have this marked out here where I need to cut. I'm also going to build a toe kick into this. So I've marked what I want to remove for the toe kick. With it on its side, you get a real look at how this was dovetailed together. And I need to do the other side. Okay. I'm going to put a bottom panel in here to strengthen all this. Before I do that, I got to change these cleats, these drawer runners, because they're all messed up. I'm putting a taller cleat down here. It's serving the dual purpose of supporting the bottom I'm going to install in the case here and the back of the face frame. Now I just have to double check my measurements and then cut out up here for my drain line and the water supplies. I'm going to layer a couple of different color stains together to get this color something close to the face frame. I need to get a reading on what I got to modify in these drawers so that they fit around this plumbing. That's why I'm setting this together. So both the middle drawer here and the top drawer here need to be modified for the drain to be able to connect. I'm going to secure everything with screws. I don't see any need to have to dovetail it. All right, that should work.